Hello, this is Ife He, your immigration attorney. Previously, I talked about all these different services that immigration attorneys provide. For example, they provide with family sponsorship. They can provide employment sponsorship. They can help with asylum defense, federal court litigation, and appeals. But what I didn't talk about, and which is, I think, very relevant to people's needs, is the scope of services that I provide. As a matter of fact, my scope of services are completely different from the traditional attorneys, especially the immigration attorneys' scope of legal services. I consider my services, I term it unbundled legal services, and I learned this term from a company that I currently partnered up with that provides these services to folks around the country. They provide unbundled legal services in the area of family law and immigration law. So what is unbundled legal services? It's when, say, a traditional attorney would offer a flat fee retainer of, say, $5,000 to $10,000 for a legal matter. We also offer that option, but we also offer a different option where we can tell folks that you can retain us for all of your matters or for only a part of your matters. For example, and this is a good example because I actually worked with a client on this, is the issue of family sponsorship. Say you want to sponsor your fiance to the U.S. and become a U.S. citizen. So that's a very complicated process. You would have to fill out the forms, have them interview at the consulate in their home country, have them have another interview once they arrive here, have them wait a few years to get their papers, and then finally apply for citizenship. Now, this is a lengthy process, and a traditional immigration attorney will probably guide you throughout the whole process, charge you a flat fee of $10,000, and you get maybe a few phone calls every couple of months, and hopefully your case works out well. But what an unbundled attorney does is that they empower you to fill out the forms yourselves, to attend the interview yourself, to educate you about the legal processes that you would have to follow. And essentially, you would be your own advocate and you would pay a fraction of the cost because the attorney themselves would not enter representation. And that would just take away the vast majority of the costs associated with, say, legal liability or mandated court appearances and attorney-client communications that might or might not be fruitful. So essentially, what I offer compared to the rest of the country is unbundled legal services, which can save you time, save you money, and can be overall more effective in your legal problems. So if obviously the issue that I just explained about family law immigration might not apply to everyone in this room, but I'm sure that one of us has some legal issues that they need help with that they don't want to seek an attorney for, but which they don't even need to seek an attorney for. So I encourage you to find out more about unbundled legal services by contacting me, Ife He. My phone number is 917-477-7818, or you can email me at info@ifehelaw.com. Again, my name is Ife He. I'm an immigration attorney. I offer unbundled legal services as well as full scope representation. Thank you very much.